So you watched my previous video and you want to know how to set up the hotkeys and we'll swap it over to some Streamdeck WebSockets? Don't worry, I got you. This is going to be super easy, super simple, quite easy, quite simple. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your Streamdeck, all right? And on your Streamdeck, you're going to look for the marketplace. And then you're going to click on the marketplace. Once you've done that, you're going to grab this green one right here. This really cool green one. This one, WebSocket requests. You're going to get it. You're going to install it into your Stream Deck. It'll be easy. Don't worry. Don't panic. Everything's fine. Next, in your Stream Deck, what you're going to do is you're going to add the WebSocket in question. So we're going to go to WebSocket requests, and we're going to add a WebSocket message and drag it in. Now, the title needs to be whatever you want to call it. So, for example, let's say we're going to make a hotkey that makes me do a flip. We'll do that. Well, no, I can't do the flip. We'll set up a hotkey to where I grow my head. There we go. Grow my head. So we'll name this grow. Well, I like to do it in caps, but grow head. Boom. Then what you're going to do is I will have this in the description, but you're going to copy this localhost thing. You're going to put that in the link. Boom. And next, you're going to set this message to be the exact same thing as the title. Next, what you're going to do is go into a Vnyan, and then in Vnyan, you are going to go to wherever you have your toggles or whatnot. You're going to look up a WebSocket, grab a WebSocket command, paste grow head, and then in my case, I'm going to do bone scale. Boom. We're going to look for head. There we go. Boom. Connect it. I'm going to set it to 1.2. Boom. And now, when I press the hotkey, boop. Oh, yeah, of course. So it doesn't work necessarily right now because I'm on computer. I have a dual PC setup. But it should work for you if you have a single PC setup. Well, obviously, Stream Deck should be on the same PC as your. You get my point being, it should do that. Now, you press it again, it resets it. Boom. Ta-da! Yay! WebSockets are connected. Yippee! And you can do that for every single one of your toggles or whatnot. So, for example, if you had a hotkey before, you can just name it to a WebSocket, whichever you want, and it will be just fine. For example, the way I have mine set up, the tutorial's over, by the way. So if you have something else to do and you need to do something, by all means, have fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. But for the beans that want a little bit behind the scenes, I have mine set up so I have my cameras. As you can see, I can set my world to world default. I can set my world to the concert stage. I can reset my camera, take a picture. I have my emotes. So if I want to be like, oh my God, or if I want to be sad and cry, I have some expressions like animation poses. I have an avatar swapper. I have different sit poses that I've made. I have a bunch of props that I can toggle. So for example, like glasses, my kitty ears, my hammer, my fishing rod for web fishing, fishing hat, VR headset, you name it. All these can be oh, I lost those. Oh, man. All those can be integrated into your Stream Deck, and they're there. They're functional. So there you go. If you liked the video, feel free to like it and tell me what you think. Tell me, give me advice for another tutorial. I need to know. They won't lock me out. They won't let me out of here. I'm locked in.